dear participants, on behalf of my colleagues in the group of Modern Livestock Management course in China, I would like to present our heartfelt thanks for this valuable course. To the esteemed organizers of International Exchange Center of Yangling Demonstration Zone in China, please accept our warmly gratitude for organizing such profoundly enriching and invaluable experience. From the meticulous planning to the seamless execution, every aspect of the course underscored a deep commitment to our learning and development. And for that, we are truly appreciated. The environment fostered by your organization was truly attractive to learning. The interactive session and collaborative atmosphere allowed for meaningful discussion of animal management, especially the scientific research and the way of collaborating between universities and practical aspects in the farms in China. The participants were excited during discussion the genetic improvement did by universities and research centers, especially in the field of beef and meat production. One of the most significant contributions of cultural exchange is its power to promote mutual understanding and break down of stereotypes. Furthermore, cultural exchange is a potent catalyst for personal growth and intellectual expansion. Beyond individual benefits, cultural exchange plays a crucial role in building bridges between nations and fostering global cooperation. Governments and non-governmental organizations increasingly recognize cultural diplomacy as a soft power tool to improve international relations. Exchange programs facilitate people-to-people connection that transcend political difference. When citizens from different countries understand and appreciate each other's cultures, it creates a foundation of trust and goodwill. This in turn can pave the way for more effective collaboration on pressing global issues such as business and economic development. We are hoping this is an opportunity to not let animal feeding that can be shared with others. Finally, thank you again for International Exchange Center of Yangling Demonstration Zone in China for your vision, dedication, and tireless efforts in organizing this valuable training course. Lastly, on behalf of my colleagues in Iraqi Kurdistan, we have a special thanks for China Consulate in Erbil, giving us an opportunity to participate in this valuable event. Thank you very much.